Backing up your WhatsApp data is an important step to ensure that your media, your messages, and your settings are preserved, especially when switching devices or performing software updates. The process is straightforward and can be done either through iCloud for iPhone users or Google Drive for Android users. For iPhone users, you got to open WhatsApp and go to the Settings tab. From there, tap on Chats and then select Chat Backup. Here you can choose to back up your chat history manually by tapping Backup Now. If you want automatic backups, make sure Auto Backup is turned on and select your preferred backup frequency, whether daily, weekly, or monthly. This ensures that your chats and media are automatically backed up to your iCloud. Now, for Android users, open WhatsApp and go to the Settings menu and tap on Chats and then Chat Backup. Then you're going to see an option to back up your data to Google Drive. If you wish, you can set it up automatic backups by adjusting the frequency, again, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. And under the Google Drive settings, you can also choose whether or not to include videos in your backup. So by backing up your WhatsApp regularly, you can ensure that your important messages and media are always safe and recoverable.